Hey everyone and welcome back. Want Otter.ai to handle meeting notes for you? Let me show you how to set it up for Zoom and Google Meet. For Zoom, start by connecting your accounts in Otter. Go to Integrations and click Add next to Zoom. This connects your Zoom account. If you have a business plan, enable Cloud Sync recordings. This will transcribe your Zoom Cloud recordings after each meeting. For Google Meet, you need the Otter Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Otter.ai, and add it to Chrome. Before joining a Google Meet, click the Otter extension icon and sign into your account. When you join the meeting, a pop-up will ask if you want to record. Click Start Transcribing. Otter will capture audio directly from your browser with no bot joining the call. For both platforms, connect your Google Calendar. First, Otter can automatically join scheduled meetings, so you never forget to start recording. Free plan limits 30 minutes per meeting and 300 minutes per month. Upgrade to Pro for longer recordings. And that is it. Otter is now set up to take notes for you. If you set up Otter, let me know which platform you use in the comments. See you in the next one.